We are pleased to show you the 2018 Rogue Sport. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, anti-lock braking system, outside temperature gauge, power brakes, braking assist, driver side remote mirror. Inside you'll find rear view camera, backup camera, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, turn-by-turn navigation, satellite communications.